How to add rounded corners in Premiere Pro. Adding rounded corners in Premiere Pro is a simple process that can be applied to both videos and pictures. Let's go through the steps to achieve this effect. Start by adding clips to your timeline. For example, I will choose a picture. First, navigate to the effects controls panel and adjust the scale of your clip according to your preference. Next, go to the effects panel and search for the Routes and Edges plugin. Apply it to your footage. Return to the effects controls panel and change the edge type to cut and the fractal influence to 0. To create a nice rounded border effect, increase the value of the border. You can also try adjusting the edge sharpness setting to get the look you want. There we go, now you've created a rounded corner to your footage in Premiere Pro. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.